Three, two, one. Hey, this is Jerry Overmeyer of the MAST Institute at the University of Northern Colorado. And I'm very involved in flipped learning, and I think it can be a great way to run a class. Unfortunately, if you don't have a learning management system, it can be difficult. So, as a lot of you know, Moodle is a free learning management system, but you need a server to host it on. So I've taken the server at MAST and created a Moodle site for anyone to use for free, just because that's part of the mission of the MAST Institute, is to help support teachers. So a lot of people ask, well, what's that going to look like if I do ask for a free Moodle site? And that's what this video is going to show you, is to just give you a quick overview of what it's going to look like. So if you would like a MAST site for your classes, send me your name and the courses, and I will go in and create a user for you and set up your course shells. Then once you have your courses, you can go and look at them. And so what I'm going to go first is, let's just grab a course that I think really never got used, just to show you sort of what an empty course shell looks like. So you'll end up getting a course shell that looks like this. And one thing you can do is, as you notice, this one is set up to run as a weekly type of schedule. You can very easily, if you just go into edit settings, you can change the settings on your course, and you can change it to a topics format if you would rather have it like that. And I'll just save those changes real quick. So now you see, instead of going week by week, it's just by topic. So say you have 10 units and you just want to do it like that. Now, one thing is, right now we're in editing mode, and you see you can add all your resources and things and do all these kinds of things to set this up. And then when you turn editing off, you basically see what your students see. And since this is an empty course shell, you don't see anything. But now I would like to show you what a full course looks like. And I'm trying to think of Greg Banks of the wonderful city of Boston has already been working on setting up his Chemistry 1 for this year. So I'm going to show you that, what sort of a full course looks like. And so right now we are viewing what his students will be viewing, because editing is off. And so he has it as a weekly schedule. So he has a few things on how students can put in their email address, and then he has a welcome. He's got it by different learning strands, activities, and he's got all this stuff in there. Now, if we turn editing on, you'll see it's basically the same thing, but now he can go in and change everything, and I better not change anything right now because it looks like he's put a lot of work into this. So I will turn editing off and not mess with anything. So hopefully this gives you just a quick overview of what the flipped learning Moodle site through the MAST Institute looks like. See ya!